Check if everything is there. Bury the parts on an open space. Align the lumbar and screw it tightly at both sides. Cover the screw with its caps. Flip over the seater. Alight the armrest and screw it tightly. Slot the end of the backrest into the seater and screw it tight. Fix the casters to the leg base. Push it all the way in. Flip it over and insert the gas canister. Lift up the body and slot it onto the gas canister. Hook on the headrest. Lock it in place by screwing the underside. Done. Test out the chair and enjoy.